This washing machine is a bit crazy. One. It's not in heavy mode, but that's heavy. And I hear it spinning, shaking, spinning, shaking, spinning, shaking. But not crazy coming out. Bouncing out. Here's a laundry. There is like a laundry carpet. I'm scared of that. The only reason why I'm afraid of this is because the shaking. Let's run away. That's just the noise is just a vacuum. Seven minutes. Oh wait. Spinning. Stuff in the loop. Belt. There's something stuck there. Let's hide from this machine. Look how crazy it's about to go. This here is a bit crazy, this washing machine, which I don't like that much. Squawk it. Squawk, let's run. It's a bit crazy. It's very crazy that I'm afraid of it. This thing here is crazy. If you're wanting this type of washing machine, safe to say, it's gonna go crazy all over your house. Oh, one away. Crazy. It's just so crazy. 5 minutes. Oh, crazy. The underwear dropped in. And make it crazier. I think it's doing the spin drain. I think it's draining. Drain spin. The washing machine is spinning really fast because it's actually going fast because the Electrolux washing machine is trying to drain. 4 minutes. I don't think you can see that, but I can see 4 minutes. 4 minutes. You can, what is your, that's 4? Oh yeah. How crazy. I guess my peeps are done. It's almost done. I'll put you down. You can see me? back. It's crazy. Look how crazy. Spinning for a long time. Three minutes. Three minutes. Three. Yay! Ow! Almost done. You're almost done washing machine. 2 minutes. TWO minutes. 2 minutes. Two minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. What it's doing is spinning very fast. Catcher. I have a Bella girl. Can you hold a Bella?
What happened?
No,
Put it in
no.
the bed.
Hey,
Put it in
in this bed. This whichever I want. Wash machine done. 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 89 minutes. No powder. That'd be cool to find my paper. Even more rainbow, right? More visible rainbow, right?
Here. Put it in dry.
It's so, look.
Smell nice, right?
Smell that. I don't think you can smell through the video.
Of course.
Try smell. You can't smell.
But you can smell it and see how it smells. Wash it with persil.
Ooh.
That one,
Yep.
the blue one.
This is really important for your washing machine. That's door latch. When did you see a door? When did you see the washing machine done? One time I just see the rubber, like having a zipper thing. I thought it was the door latch, I thought.
Okay.
Look what's down here. Door latch. That's really important too. Because it goes onto that thing there. That thing there. That the door latch. Can you see that? Feet. That's the feet. The washing machine doesn't float in here. I don't see why it's floating. I don't think you can see through there. So much trash. That's what I think is causing this to float. I go crazy with it. Wait, how did I turn this off? No. Please close the door. How do I turn off the washing machine? Once the cycle is done, how do you turn it off? Power down. How do you power down the machine once the cycle is done? You just press the power button. I press the power button to turn off the machine.
Mama?
Do I have to press the
No,
power?
I'm not ready, mommy.
I have to do one more cycle.
Why you attack me?
The cat's attacking all the time. This here's why the drug isn't
That's why I think he's so
ducted.
fucking bro.
The big thing is duct.
That's why I think
Yay! Dryer on. Rose on. I didn't know what's that. Why is it doing that? But I have some more little models in here.